Hi guys, it's Kathleen with Dreaming About the Mouse Travel and Dreaming About Vacations. I am here in Riviera Maya, Mexico at Unico 2087. It is an all-inclusive resort that we can book for you. It is for adults ages 18 and over. You can come as a couple or with friend groups or weddings, whatever. There's however you want to do it. It's not just couples only. We are in a swim up suite. So I'm going to start out here and show you. We are kind of toward the back, like right through that foliage is the beach. So we don't have an ocean view. So if you want that, then we can book you an ocean view room, and so those will have beautiful views of the ocean. But we really want to try a swim up suite. We hadn't done one before, so ours is really private. There are some that have a pretty, like, a lot of people will walk in front of, but it's really awesome. So either way, but let's take a look at this. It's beautiful. So out here we have our own little sofa and towels and this cute table, and then hammocks. There's my husband, and I can just, I'm so excited. We just got here. It's been a long travel day, but I just want to show you this beautiful room. Okay, so we've got a couch and this really awesome, unique table. I love it. And when you check in, they give you these really yummy drinks. I don't know what they are, but it was so refreshing and perfect. Then you have this nice little sitting area over here. I love the theming of here. And then look at this cute little thing. They put our logo on here and gave us a bottle of champagne. So, so nice. We've got storage and a nice big smart TV. A beautiful king size bed. And look at how fun those lights are next to it. I think those are so cute. And then we've got plugins over there, another nice book. And then that right through there is the bathroom, and those open up. So you can close them if you want privacy or keep them open. And then this is, okay, so the first thing I noticed when we walked in here is the smell. It smells so good and so fresh. It doesn't smell like cleaner or mildewy or anything like that. They have aromatherapy, and I'll show you that. You can kind of pick your scents. In this fun little box, they've got the breakfast menu and then your in-room dining stuff, so you can get complimentary room service. And then right here, like you have a local host, and they will help you like with dining reservations or anything that you need for your room. And then they provide you these really fun postcards and envelopes. I just think that's really cute. Like everything is like branded. It's darling. And then over here you've got your mini bar, and they put a bunch of fun snacks in there. You've got like a little coffee maker right here, more bottled water, some teas, and then in here we've got it stocked with sodas, waters, and beer, and you can customize this. You just have to let your local host know, and they will make sure that you have exactly what you want in your refrigerator. So we will tell them what we like. And then in here you've got your safe and some storage. And then I haven't looked to see. Oh, it's an iron or a steamer there. And then in here you've got extra blankets, and then they seriously have the best robes. They're like terry cloth hooded robes that people rave about. Our clients have loved that. And then they give you an umbrella to use in case it rains. We're supposed to have beautiful weather this week. And then this is the door we came in, and right when you come in, they give you these fun hats. And I think once a week there's a lady out by the pool that will customize them for you. And then this is really cute. Like, look how cute this is. Do not disturb. You can hang that outside. And then you've got the barn door right here for the bathroom. And honestly, you don't need to pack anything. They have everything for you. There's the aromatherapy. It smells so good. Hair dryer, a scale. We'll be avoiding that this week. Some fun slippers. And then all of this. So, I mean, there's everything. Shaving set, toothbrush, manicure set, a shower mitt. I've never seen this much stuff. Body lotion, body wash. You've got a makeup mirror in here. Isn't that cute? And then here's the shower. It comes with shampoo and conditioner. You've got the nice rain head shower. And then the toilet area. And then we can open those up if you want to see through. So if you had like an ocean view, I think that would be really awesome to keep that open so you could see. So that is kind of an overview of the room, and we will be sharing with you some video of the grounds, and it is gorgeous. We literally just got here, and it is a little bit long of a drive from the airport, but it wasn't bad. So my tip would be, I have a couple tips that I've already discovered. Number one, go to the bathroom on the airplane about 20-30 minutes before they land, because it is a long walk from where you get off the airplane to the bathrooms, and then everybody is going to the bathroom, so the line is really long. So if you can avoid that, that would be good. And then pack snacks, because like we left Tulsa early this morning, and it is now 5 o'clock here, and we haven't really had a meal yet. So we had a really short layover in Dallas. Like by the time we got to our gate, they were boarding in 8 minutes, which was not really enough time to eat. So just pack a snack, and you can eat in your transfer if you would like. So anyway, I just wanted to share this gorgeous room, and let us know if you want us to book it for you. My team is back at home working, so we can definitely do that for you, or I'm happy to help you when I get back. Luke, absolutely. I think you can share this video or save it. I'm not sure. Since it's a Facebook Live. But anyway, we are off to go find some food, and we will check back in with everybody later. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and let us know if you would like more information about this gorgeous resort. We'll talk to you later. Bye.